Carol Slager, pharmacist, health coach, lifestyle blogger, and I write for the Northwest Indiana Times. Holiday traditions. There's so much fun to do at Christmas time and New Year's and Thanksgiving, what have you. However, with the crunch for time, I think we're always looking for things that can be traditional and delicious, yet quick and easy. That's what I'm going to bring you today. This is on the tradition from Italy, where on Christmas Eve, they typically avoid meat. They call it no meat. And they have pasta and fish. So today I've chosen to make some scallops with some angel hair pasta, which according to my Italian friends, fits right in with what they would consume on Christmas Eve. So for today's scallop and pasta dish, we have very simple ingredients. So I have some fresh scallops that I picked up that have been cleaned at the store, red pepper flakes, little white wine. I happen to be using dry vermouth, so whatever you happen to have. Some grated Parmesan cheese, fresh parsley. I already cooked my angel hair pasta. You could use any variety of pasta you like, or even risotto. Fresh lemon juice that I've already squeezed. Some salt, olive oil, and freshly ground pepper. First of all, I had some olive oil warmed up in the skillet behind me with a couple cloves of garlic to give it some flavor, and I'm going to toss in these scallops to saute them. My scallops are now cooked to opaque, and I'm taking them out of the skillet to make my little sauce and deglaze the pan so that they don't get overdone. So I'm keeping the juices that have been in there from the olive oil and cooking the scallop. First I'm going to add some of my little wine, splash of that to help deglaze the pan. I'm going to start heating that before I add the lemon juice. So as you can see, I have a sauce that I added the lemon juice, deglazed the pan, got the little brown bits off, and also had the wine. If you prefer, you could use something like a chicken or fish broth instead of the wine to make this. It's up to you. So now I'm going to add in this has been chilled pasta. I cooked it earlier. So I want to warm that up a little bit. Okay, so put this on the stove for just a quick little minute here. Okay, I've warmed the pasta and toss in my scallops, which are still warm. To toss. Top with some grated Parmesan cheese. You could use Romano, you could use a combination. Toss that a little bit. Makes it a little more creamy. Top it with some fresh parsley. And there you have it, ready for Christmas Eve.